4395 Charles 94, no wet 1 over 55 1970.
This is Kane on the waves of Rockhammer Radio, and we're rocking out to the heaviest rock. You know how to make your weapon hit at full power, and it's all about the shooting range. A weapon deals full damage if the target is within its radius. Every weapon has its range, so shoot smart. Stay with us. This is where the heart of rock beats.